Welcome to another episode of Cubing Corner. We are now at training set number 8, eye-shaped pattern. Case number 1 in eye-shaped pattern or training set number 8. There will be two headlights facing in the right hand side, easy pace in the front and back. So if at all while solving, if you get it on left hand side, then you can do a U2 to get it on right hand side and follow this algorithm. F U R U prime R prime, U R U prime R prime, undo magic twice, and then F prime. Simple as that, right? Coming to the second case in eye-shaped pattern, you have a headlights in right hand side as well as left hand side, which is easy to identify, right? So this usually goes like this. The formula goes like this: small r prime, u prime, small r, then u prime, r prime, u, r, u prime, r prime, u, r, small r prime, u, small r. Coming to the third case, you have a bar over right hand side in one side and you have to keep it in right hand side, and you don't have any headlights, that is two corners which is having yellow, right? So one, you have to keep this identification mark as well as this bar, so this in front and this in right side, and follow this R U R prime U, and then you have R small d prime R U prime R prime F prime. Coming to the last case in eye-shaped pattern, you have bars on both the sides, in the right side as well as left side. So in this case, you have to hold it in vertical position, which is having the bar on right hand and left hand side. The formula goes like this: R U2 R2 U prime R U prime R prime U2 F R F prime. And that's it. You have come to the end of eye-shaped pattern, that is training set number 8. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Also, for the notes, you can refer to my book, which is available on Amazon Kindle, and it's absolutely free if you have an Amazon Kindle subscription, or you can just pay a small bounty so that it will be helpful for my channel to grow. Thank you. Have a nice day.